Hey guys, this is going to be a review on the Spyderco ClipiTool. The ClipiTool line comes in 3 different models, and I chose this one, the bottle opener with screwdriver, because I thought it was the most useful. The first thing I noticed is it comes in this little small box, which is pretty cool. And check the little box, it has a little magnet right here. But that's pretty cool. Usually Spyderco knives, even though that's a small one, will give you a big box just like this one. This is their standard box. But with this ClipiTool line, they use the smaller box, which is pretty cool. And once you open it up, you can see the knife. Little picture of their knife over here. And it's a pretty cool box. But we're mostly interested in the knife, so let's take it out. This knife, just a year ago, was a prototype, and now this year they made it into reality. So let's check it out. First, let's start with some of the specs, because it is a small knife. Check it out. It is manual opening. The opening itself is pretty hard. You have to do it with both hands. If you try to do it with one-handed opening, that's going to be really hard. And it is a slip joint, but the one-handed, it's pretty tough. I can't even open it a little bit. But there you go. It's a smaller knife, but it is pretty cool. The grind is a flat grind. The handles are stainless steel. The blade length is 2 inches. The overall length is 4.57 inches. So it is a pretty small knife, but it's also pretty cool looking. Let's give you a little close-up. It does have the Spyderco logo right here, which is pretty cool. And it also has HCR 13MOV steel and made in China. Every knife that has HCR 13MOV is made in China, but it's a pretty good steel. What interested this knife is actually the ClipiTools. Let's check them out. Let's close this knife and check out the little tool. It has the little Spyderco hole opening, so just grab it, take it out, and there's the tool. This right here is the bottle opener. Over here is the screwdriver. So what do you need a bottle opener for? Of course, to open bottles. So let's give that a try. What I have here is a bottle that you may like, but let's give this a try. And I'm sliding over. There you go. There you go. That is one useful tool. You know, you may need a bottle opener one day, and there you go. That's the Spyderco ClipiTool right there. It comes with a lanyard hole or a key ring hole. That's pretty small, but you could probably get some paracord through there and wear it in your keychain. It is a pretty small knife. If you were to compare this knife with my Spyderco Resilience, that Spyderco is pretty big compared to this little tiny ClipiTool knife. Now let's try the paper cutting test, see how sharp that is. And this is only a 2-inch blade, so let's check it out. It's pretty good. Let's try it again. I would say that's pretty good for the little 2-inch blade. That's a pretty cool knife. It is very sharp.